how do you feel designers को financial knowledge होना चाहिए? बहुत, I think it is very important. A lot of people who are into the profession, they are wrong. I mean, for a lack of a better word, financially illiterate होते हैं. हम पैशन के पीछे इतना भागते हैं कि पता नहीं चलता है कि पैसे कैसे कमाने.
I think एक तो तुम दुनिया में ही देख लो. If you look at the world today, everything depends on economics. Economies of the world are extremely important. We are learning now, right? The most powerful political leaders are from most powerful economies.
Right.
As simple as that. The most powerful economies are the ones with the best military in the world, right? And they are developed. So if you look at all the parameters which you want in life, go with the economy. So obviously every country is now running, whether you are a democracy, not democracy, economy achhi honi chahiye. I think that applies to personal level as well. Okay, whether you are a designer or not a designer, the parameters to success is how much money you are making. It is there. Okay, if that money is made ethically, even better.
Right.
If it is not made ethically, you won't have the status. मतलब status नहीं होगा, लेकिन financial muscle रहेगा. So that you find a lot of countries also, they're not democracies, but they're making a lot of money. We have a lot of examples in our neighborhood, right? I think designers ka, for the largest time, the problem which has happened is they've confused themselves to be artists. And we have read stories that artists don't need to make money, they need to work for their soul.
It's a very lousy trope.
हाँ, खाना नहीं भी मिलेगा, ठीक है, मेरे को पेंटिंग करने को मिल जाएगा, चलेगा. Which is
Heartbreaking.
not just heartbreaking. I think design, any industry won't last unless it's a robust economically well-doing industry. So if advertising, as long as advertising brought in money, they paid a lot of money, right? There were best people coming to advertising. They brought best results to the companies. Advertising flourished, right? Advertising now changes route to digital advertising or whichever, still flourish because it makes money. I think designers, just awareness that designers are a part of a economic function is very important and needs to be taught in the first year itself. तुम अलग नहीं हो. You have to fit into an economic chain. Of course, there's a lot of design, and I think design should always be socially relevant, socially impactful, sustainable होना चाहिए हमेशा. You should always think of people first. It should always be ethical, right? वो सब होने के बाद में there's no difference between a designer working for industry, designer working for government. Because government
Or independent.
Independent, you need to survive. You have to work well. You're working for industries. Industry has to survive. Even if you're working for government, you have to be less wasteful because it's public money finally you're working with, right? So at every level, I think the money awareness or the awareness about business is extremely important. How business operates. But there's a myth that making money is wrong. I think that needs to go. That's a very socialist structure.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to go to more capitalist way of thinking about design. Design has to do good.
Right.
No two ways about that. But while doing good, it should also make good
Good money.